Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can receive money on your Wise account. So first of all guys, Wise is not used only, as you all know, for withdrawing. You can actually receive money on your Wise account and start using it as your credit card, for example, and buy stuff using this account. So in order to receive money, what you have to do basically is just go to your application on phone or your website on your PC, and from here, if you don't have an account already, you can create it from here, register here, put email, or you can log in using anything from Gmail, Facebook, or Apple account. Now after you do so, I suggest that you go and log in. After you log in, the page will be opened for you just like so. So how you can receive money, guys? Of course, like you see in this screen, here is receive money. So we click on receive money, and here you choose whether your account will be a personal one or a business one. So for me, I'm gonna pick the personal account. So let's choose the personal account. Basically, to receive money on your personal account, you need to first put some information about your account and give them some details about you. So here you put your first name and or middle names, legal ones. So I will talk about that later on. So why does it have to be legal ones, not just like any random nickname? Here, date of birth, month, etc. This one's also legal. So why does it need to be legal? Because right after this step, they will ask you for a proof, a face recognition picture, an ID card, passport, license card, whatever you have. They will ask you for it. As long as you provide them with the correct informations, you will be good to go. And right after that, you will just be putting the details about the money that you want to receive, and you will receive them right after that. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.